Introducing our signature weight loss juice recipe. A refreshing way to kickstart your weight loss journey. Blend together citrusy lemon and subtly sweet green apples for a vibrant flavor profile. Harness the digestion-boosting and detoxifying power of zesty lemon. Infuse your blend with nutrient-rich kale and spinach for added benefits. Embrace the metabolism-boosting qualities of ginger and cayenne pepper. Sip and savor this tantalizing concoction that supports your wellness goals. Join us in nourishing your body with the goodness of nature's ingredients. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more recipes and wellness tips. Remember, every sip of this weight loss juice propels you towards a healthier lifestyle.